Connect the wires from the machine to the control box. The 3 wires here are the power wires on the spindle motor. Connect them to the corresponding terminal positions. The position of these 3 lines is related to the rotation direction of the spindle motor. Connect them first, and after starting the machine, check the direction of rotation. If the direction of rotation is reversed, the machine needs to be disconnected from the power supply. The correct direction of rotation can be obtained by exchanging the positions of any 2 wires. Connect the other signal terminal of the machine to the corresponding position of the machine. The corresponding number is written on the line, and the plug is inserted according to the number. Connect an external switch emergency stop button. Locate the machine's power cord. Connect the control box and outlet. If the plug that came with the machine does not fit into your outlet, please cut off the plug and install a plug that suits you. If the controller displays Chinese, turn the knob to move to machine and press the knob. Go to Settings. Select English and press the rotary knob. Change to English and exit. According to your needs, the position of the tool rack can be removed or moved. If your machine has 2 sets of grippers, you can install them one by one according to the number on the gripper as shown in the video. Press the F1 key on the controller. The spindle can then rotate. Check the direction of rotation. If the direction of rotation is wrong, adjust the position of any 2 wires of the motor.
调换这3根线其中的2根。然后是按 F1 旋转之后。
When the spindle is rotating, you can adjust the rotary knob switch on the frequency converter to set the rotation speed. Press F1 again to stop the spindle. Press the F key on your controller. The movement speed of the machine can be modified.
这样移动速度很慢，这里，是吧？然后如果说想改变它速度，按下 F， 这里会显示200的速度的是，咱们可以按一下按钮变成绿色清空，然后输入2000的话，然后再按 OK 键，变成红色之后，保存速度，保存数据。 然后再选择退出，现在就可以看到移动速度很快。如果说咱们手动想对刀的话，就是要把这个速度给调慢。
It is necessary to reduce the moving speed, manually turn a cylinder, and set the 0 position of the y-axis.
然后按 F1 启动，然后慢慢的移动。
After manual turning is complete, do not move the y-axis. Stop spindle.
关闭之后，测量它的直径。
Measure the diameter of the cylinder. Enter the measured dimensions into the controller.
测量它的直径。 83。 83之后，然后测量完直径之后，点击这个。
Press the dot key on your controller. Enter the measured diameter in the first option.
现在是没有文字，但是第一个是测量它的直径，点下去，然后输入刚才的数据是83，再按一下变绿之后，输入83，然后点 OK， 把它变红。
After the diameter is input, the system will automatically calculate the 0-point position of the y-axis. Move the x-axis to the position to start cutting.
Now 切割位置，然后点击这个 C。
Press the C key on your controller.
然后设置 X 轴的工作坐标。
Set the x-axis to 0.00. Start cutting position.
把它设置为0。这就是 X 轴的切割位置。
Open the G-code and software. This time demonstrates turning a sphere. Select the shape of the raw material, cylindrical material, or square material. Enter the dimensions of the material. Enter the size and number of spheres to make. Enter the diameter of the tip of the turning tool being used. Here are the speeds for rough turning and finishing speed. If you want to cut the product directly, set to -1. If you want to keep the product on the wood, set the retained diameter. Click Finished. Generate code. Export code to computer. Copy the exported code to SD card. Insert the card with the G code into the controller.
先把它插入之后，这里
Open the
打开文件
file on the memory card.
然后点一下，选择制作好的 NC 文件，点确认，点打开。打开之后直接点启动就可以干活了。做，点击开始从头，然后点。
Select the flashing
如果这里
reset
在
key.
闪烁，
Turns green.
就按一下它，把它变成绿色。绿色之后直接点
Select Run or press the Start key. Can make the machine start working.